Hi friends, now let's try to understand race condition in more consistent fashion with this problem. Now that's a previous year gate question for 2 marks. You see there are two process. Let me tell you the question. There are two process P1 and P2 which have following codes, and they say B is a shared variable with the initial value of 2. Now the question was, if you can execute P1 and P2 in any fashion you want, the question is how many different values B can have. मतलब अगर आप किसी भी ऑर्डर में एग्जीक्यूट करोगे तो B के कितने डिफरेंट वैल्यूज आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इट वाज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन विच लॉजिकली एक्सप्लेन्स क्रिटिकल सेक्शन वेरी और रेस केस कंडीशन वेरी इजीली. तो यू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट मी हैव केस 1. In case 1, I'll execute, okay, let me number the instruction 1, instruction 2, instruction 3, instruction 4. In case 1 what I do, instruction 1, then instruction 2, then instruction 3, then instruction 4. मतलब पहले P1 कंप्लीट करूंगा फिर P2 कंप्लीट करूंगा. तो टेल मी, जब मैं P1 करूंगा तो B का इनिशियल वैल्यू हमारे पास कितना है 2. तो नाउ C becomes what? तो C is equals to B minus 1. तो 2 minus 1 will give me what? 1. Now next instruction is what? B is equals to 2 into C. Now C is 1, so 2 into 1 will give me what? 2. Then the third instruction I have is D is equals to 2 into B. Now D is equals to, now B is what? 2. So 2 into B you'll get what? 4. And last again B is equals to D minus 1. So now B is 4 minus 1, you get what? 3. So in the first case I get B is equals to 3. That is the first value I get. Okay, now let me go to case 2. Suppose this time let me start with P2. The order I want is 3, 4, then 1 and then 2. अभी इधर से अगर start करेंगे तो see, now D is equals to 2 into B. Now initial value was 2, so the value becomes 4. Now again B is equals to D minus 1. Now D is what? 4 minus 1, the value becomes 3. Now here C is equals to B minus 1. Now B right now is what? 3. 3 minus 1, you get 2. And then B is equals to 2 into C. 2 into C, the value becomes 4. So see, in this case I get a different result. Now that is a very beautiful example of a race condition when two different process executed in different fashion and you get the different result. You see, this time B is 4 and this time B is 3 and this time B is 4. और यहाँ पे मे भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हमारे पास है, तो और भी कुछ केस ट्राई कर सकते हैं. तो आप मुझे बता सकते हो क्या? तो आई कैन रन इन मिक्स फैशन. अभी तक पहले मैंने एक बार P1 को किया, फिर P2 को किया, सेकंड केस में पहले P2 किया फिर P1 किया. अभी मिक्स करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. तो 1 इंस्ट्रक्शन दिस, then I'll go 3 and 4 and then I'll come back to what? To similarly आप समझ सकते हो what could be case 4. 1 instruction this, then 2 instruction this and then 1 instruction this. Okay, अगर इसको भी ट्राई करता हूँ तो now C is equals to B. B is initial 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then I go for 3. Now D is equals to 2 into B. Now B is still 2, so you see 2 into 2 becomes 4. Then I'll go for B. B is equals to D minus 1, the value becomes 3, and I'll come back to last instruction 2. So B is 2 into C. Now C is 1. Now 2 into 1 is 2. Now you say third value of B. अभी एक बार मिला था 3, फिर मिला 4. इस बार हमको क्या मिल रहा है? 2. एक और केस ट्राई करते हैं. This time I'll start from here. Now D is equals to 2 into B. Now B is initially 2. So 2 into B you get 4. Now again I'll go instruction 1, instruction 2. So C is equals to B is still 2. So 2 minus 1 I'll get 1, and B is equals to 2 into C, 2 into 1 I'll get 2, and the last again B is equals to D minus 1. D is currently 4. 4 minus 1 I'll get 3. Although it was a different case, but यहाँ पर भी वैल्यू हमको क्या मिल रही है? 3. तो कोई नया केस हमको नहीं मिला. क्या इनके अलावा भी और कोई केस हो सकता है? तो you see what I can do this time. Now you see 1 2 3 4. तो यानी कि इस बार एक और ऑर्डर डिफर करता हूँ. 1 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 2, 2 के बाद 4. Now that could be case 5. Let me rub them. That could be case 5. Okay, so what will happen here? C is equals to B minus 1. So 2 minus 1 I'll get 1. Then 1 instruction this, then D is equals to 2 multiplied by B. Now B is 2. 2 into B is what? 4. Then again 1 instruction from this, B is equals to 2 into C. now C is currently 1, you will get 2, and last instruction here B is equals to D minus 1, so D is still 4, 4 minus 1, I'll get what, 3. तो still this time also I'll get 3, तो कोई नया केस अभी मुझे नहीं मिला है, 3 केस ऑलरेडी हमारे पास है. Last case let me try C6. Now let me start from here, 3 then 1 then 2 and then 4 and then what, 2. So 3 and then 1 and then 4 and then 2. Okay, 3 I'll start fastly. We'll do D is equals to 2 into 2, you'll get 4, then one instruction here. Now C is equals to B minus 1, the B is currently 2, 2 minus 1, 1, then B is equals to D minus 1, that is 3, and last instruction B is equals to 2 into C, that is 1, you'll get 2. So final case you will get 2. So now you see, by running different cases, these are two parallel codes, और जब मैं different order में execute कर रहा हूँ, तो एक बार मेरे को मिला 3, 4, then 2, then 3 and 2. तो finally you can say how many different values options I have rubbed, but you say 3 different cases are possible. तो again you understand what is a race condition. सेम कोड को जब डिफरेंट ऑर्डर में एग्जीक्यूट करने पे हमको डिफरेंट कंडीशन, डिफरेंट रिजल्ट मिलता है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, रेस कंडीशन. ओके, थैंक यू.